Saturday soup special. Nice and delicious. Look at that, guys, the color. And I tell you about it, guys, you can't cook soup and you don't have your dumplings in it. Look at that. I mean the yellow yam, the chicken, the corn. There's a whole vibe going on.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures! What am I saying? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Welcome back, Freestyle Nation. Welcome back, guys. Today we're back in the kitchen freestyle and it's all about some chicken pumpkin soup. So you sit back, relax and enjoy freestyle with. Freestyle from a soup special. Right here you have it. I have some chicken, I have carrot, I have yellow yam, corn, I have pumpkin, I have scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, I have my chicken noodle, I have some cocoa, and of course, you know, guys, I'll be adding some dumplings. So let's go ahead now, freestyle, and start the preparation for a chicken pumpkin soup, Saturday style. So freestyle, I will start by getting my chicken clean. I'm gonna take off the skin from the chicken. Take off the skin and then I'm gonna cut them. So you don't wanna have the chicken too big. Sizes like these should be good. So freestyle, after cutting up your chicken, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and use some vinegar to wash your chicken. Use some vinegar, wash your chicken to get rid of the rawness from the chicken. I'll go ahead and I'm going to wash my chicken. And after my chicken, guys, I wash my chicken like 3 to 4 times. After washing and cleaning my chicken, freestyle, it's now time to start the cooking process. Now freestyle, it's now time to prep my vegetables and food that I'll be using in my soup. Right here, guys, I have some pumpkin. It's not the best of pumpkin, guys, as you can see for yourself. It's not that yellow and pretty, but the show still have to go on, right? Right here, freestyle, I'm going to peel my pumpkin. My pumpkin, guys. Put it together with it. You want to make sure you wash it properly. And I'm going to cut them up in pieces. Now it's time to prep my corn. I'm using 2 corn, guys, so I'll cut my corn in 2. So freestyle, my corn and my pumpkin is now in the pot. I'm now going to cover it and I'm going to allow them to cook together. Stay tuned. And freestyle, as for the soup is not soup if you don't have some dumpling in the soup. So I'm about to need my flour, add some cornmeal, and I'm going to add some salt, small amount of salt. And I want to mix up everything together. Mix it up, and it's time to knead my flour. Here, freestyle, if you're cooking soup, the soup have to have some dumpling in it. Dumpling is a must in my soup. So I'm getting my flour prepared to make my dumpling. As you can see, freestyle, I'm now making my dumplings for the Saturday soup special. Chicken pumpkin soup. And freestyle, as I said before, guys, it's a tradition thing. Right, I can recall as a kid growing up, like on a Saturday like this, a mom would go to the market, you know what I mean? And you know she coming in back with some fresh, nice produce. And first thing as she come back in the yard, straight into the kitchen. So freestyle, it's now time to prep my ground provision. I'll go ahead and peel my yellow yam. So freestyle, two things I always know that is a must in your soup. You have to have a piece of yellow yam and you have to have your dumplings. It's a whole vibe when you have the yellow yam and your dumpling in your pot, guys. No joke about that. So I wash my yam. We'll now go ahead and slice them up. Slice the yams. I'm using some cocoa as well, so I will go ahead and peel my cocoa. I love cocoa in soup, guys. It tastes so good. So I'm using like about 4 small cocoa. Peel them, you wash them. You put them in the pot just like that. Something the soup special freestyle. It doesn't get any better than this. You know, once a freestyle way, guys, it's different. So guys, as always, remember guys to do the right thing. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. All about Orient freestyle in the kitchen with the Saturday soup special. You call this the real country style cooking freestyle. I mean your chicken soup, the yellow yam, your vegetables, everything cooked down together, guys, and it's a whole vibe. It's early days in the cooking, but guys, I'm sure you're gonna like this one. It's gonna be nice, rich, and healthy. Soup is always good freestyle. Soup is always good. Sometimes you want to give the heavy food a break and just got some soup. Like for this weekend, guys, I cook this pot of soup now. It's gonna be a Saturday, Sunday kind of vibe because, you know what I mean, it's a Memorial weekend. And we're about to be outside, so no cooking on the Sunday. After I cook this big pot of soup on the Saturday. So here you have it now, freestyle. I've gone ahead and peel my ground provision. Now it's time to put them in the pot. Now freestyle, as you can see guys, the pot is bubbling. Put my yam. My yam and my cocoa in. And I'm going to allow the pumpkin to boil right out, guys. You know what I mean? Or I could crush them in the meantime. It's not the prettiest of pumpkin, guys, but you know what I mean? As for the pumpkin, you need to get that thickness from the pumpkin, that color. I'll go ahead and mash them out. I'm going to cover the pot, guys. Allow it to cook. Soon come. So freestyle, after adding my ground provision, I will now go ahead and add my dumplings. Like I said before, guys, the soup is not soup if you don't have some dumpling in it. So I'll now go ahead and add my dumplings. Get my dumplings in. freestyle, they have some small dumplings. Yeah, they call them the spinners. You have to have some spinners in it though. You roll up the spinners them and throw them in. Freestyle way. It's all about the Saturday soup special. I mean chicken pumpkin soup. Nice and delicious freestyle. It's early days guys, and I must tell you it's looking really good. You want to go ahead now and stir your pot guys. After stirring the pot, I'm now going to cover it. Soon come again freestyle. Freestyle is now time to season up my pot. Right here I have some scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, carrots. I'll go ahead and add my seasoning. There you go. And freestyle soup is not soup if we don't have these in it. I'm using the pumpkin flavor, I'm using the country style, and I'm using the Caribbean soup mix. You can see for yourself guys, I'm using 3 because I need my soup to be rich and flavorful. Here we go, freestyle. Using 3 pots of great cock soup. After I had my 3 pots of great cock soup, I will go ahead and stir. That freestyle coming along nice and lovely. I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow it to cook guys, so soon come back. Freestyle. As you can see, freestyle, I've gone ahead and had some pimento berries. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some butter. Add some butter. I'm going to stir everything together again. Want to cover it, allow it to cook. Freestyle, soon come back. Freestyle, I'm about to open the pot and we're gonna see what's going on with the Saturday soup special. Now freestyle, here you have it. Saturday soup special, nice and delicious. Look at that guys, the color. And I tell you about it guys, you can't cook soup and you don't have your dumplings in it. Look at that. I mean the yellow yam, chicken, the corn. There's a whole vibe going on right here, Freestyle Nation. As you can see for yourself now. I'm gonna cover it guys and I'm gonna give it probably like about 3 more minutes. Then the Saturday soup special will be completed. Stay tuned, freestyle. Now Freestyle Nation, my soup is now completed. As you can see for yourself, freestyle nice and rich. Look at that. Freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. Guys, remember, it's all about the Saturday soup special, chicken pumpkin soup. Guys, as always, thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Now guys, it's time for me to share up my Saturday soup and go have a feast. As you can see for yourself guys, nice and delicious. Yes, my freestyle nation, it's a whole vibe going on here. A pot full of vibe, a pot full of color, a pot full of taste, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. Rain freestyle chicken pumpkin soup, real way freestyle. I'm telling you guys, it is smelling so good. Trust me, it doesn't get any better than this freestyle. Freestyle nation, it's now time for us to have a feast. As you can see for yourself, guys, nice and rich. Saturday soup special. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't tell subscribers yet, feel free to hit the subscription button and join the movement. Got that freestyle. Now it's that time. Thanks for watching freestyle. Catch you in the next one.